The older you get, the better you get. Have you ever heard that? The truth is that for a long time, the more practical things of life got more attention and became habits in our modern lives. But what makes our health better and our life happier is direct contact with nature. Today, it is very common for people to want to have a kitchen garden at their backyards or balconies. More and more, we seek to learn about our foods, learn about their nutritional values and their benefits, and that is very important for anyone who wishes to have better health. If you follow our channel, then you know how important aloe vera is for the hair, and you even heard about its many benefits for the skin and hair. If you haven't yet, watch the suggested video. But did you know that you can make a homemade aloe-based shampoo? Some of the advantages of using a homemade shampoo we can cite: it moisturizes and keeps the hair moisturized for longer and naturally, avoids allergies and health issues on the scalp, improves the texture and health of the hair, reduces dandruff and hair loss, brightens hair color. Phew! See? That's why it is nice to use a natural aloe shampoo if you want to moisturize, strengthen, and make your hair grow faster and healthier. Write down the ingredients of this recipe. 2 aloe vera leaves. Use more if you want more shampoo. 1.7 ounces water. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can replace it for any other vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons coconut milk. Directions: cut the aloe leaves and remove the gel with a spoon. Put it in a blender with some water. Add the olive oil and coconut milk. Put the mixture into your preferred shampoo bottle once your usual shampoo reaches about half of its content, or once the bottle has space enough for the aloe mixture. Shake it well to mix the aloe and the shampoo. You can apply it once or twice a week. Since it is homemade, the best way of keeping your shampoo is by storing it in the fridge. Besides that, remember that the results aren't immediate. You need to create a routine of care to ensure all the benefits of this shampoo. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.